It's your girl, Naturally Cookie, and I have another DIY for you. You know your girl is extra, but today I have a simple recipe for you. I have 2 ways to use Fenugreek as a leave-in daily moisturizing conditioner. Let's get into this video.
And all the friends, let's go. Ain't no ho-ho-hos, all the way we go. Ain't no ho-ho-hos, yeah.
Alright, so I have fenugreek, hibiscus, and rosebuds. I have my 2 empty jars. I'm going to open them up. They've already been sanitized. And I'm going to start with my handy dandy shot glass that I use as equal to 1 tablespoon and put 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds in both jars. Next, I'm going to put my rosebuds into one of the jars, and then I'm going to put another shot glass, which is 1 tablespoon of my hibiscus flowers, in the other jar. Next, I'm going to take some hot distilled water and I'm going to pour it into each jar. Give it a good stir and replace the top on each one. Now I'm stirring up the fenugreek and hibiscus, and I'm going to place that top back on. Alright, next I'm going to take whatever is remaining, I'm going to put in my silicone molds after I let it sit for 24 hours. So now this is the next day. I've let it sit for 24 hours, and I'm going to go ahead and pour what I'm going to use in my spray bottle. And in my spray bottle, I decided that I'm going to do half and half, so I'm going to do some of both in there. So I'm going to go ahead and strain the hibiscus one first without making a mess, which I did. Clean as we go, clean as we go. Alright, I'm going to fill my spray bottle up halfway with the hibiscus and fenugreek mix, and then the rest I'm going to put in my silicone molds. That's the rosebud and fenugreek. You can tell that my fenugreek has swollen and doubled in size. That's how you know it's ready to use. Going to place half in my spray bottle. And then I'm going to fill the rest up in my silicone. Okay, so I had to clean up my mess. So this is my finished product. I've already placed my leftover seeds and buds that I had from the hibiscus and the roses have been placed in the Ziploc bag. I'm just going to freeze that like I stated and save it for when I get ready to do my fenugreek deep conditioner, and then I'll make a video on that as well. This is my mixture of the 2. Once again, the darker color here is the hibiscus and fenugreek, and then this one here, the lighter color, is the rosebuds and fenugreek leave-in tea. And I mix both of them up together and place it in my spray bottle. This will last me for a good 1 week if placed in a refrigerator. After each use, as long as I store it in the refrigerator, it can last up to 7 days. My frozen ones will last me anywhere from 1 to 3 months, depending on how often you're touching it and, you know, putting any type of bacteria or water to it. So as long as I don't keep opening the bag and touching every last one of them, I pull out the one that I touch and don't touch anything else to try not to cross-contaminate, then it can stay in the deep freezer for up to 3 months. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this simple, easy, and one of my quick videos, DIYs, on how to make fenugreek tea for your hair as a leave-in conditioner, detangler, and as a daily moisturizer. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting on? Go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss a beat. Share this video with your family and friends and encourage them to subscribe as well. And until next time, everyone stay blessed. This is Naturally Cookie.